English sentences. English sentences. جمل إنجليزية. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? How is it going? How is it going? كيف حالك؟ كيف الحال؟ I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. I am fine. I am okay. أنا بحال جيد. And you? And you? وأنت؟ I'm not well. I'm not well. I'm not okay. I am not well. I am not okay. لست بحال جيد. Good morning. Good morning. صباح الخير. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. مساء الخير. Good night. Good night. تصبح على خير. Goodbye. Goodbye. مع السلامة. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. سعيد بلقائك. What's your name? What's your name? What is your name? ما اسمك? My name is. My name is. My name is. اسمي. Excuse me. Excuse me. عذرا. عفوا. اسمح لي. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am sorry. أنا آسف. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? أين الحمام? Where are the toilets? Where are the toilets? أين الحمامات? To the right. To the right. لليمين. To the left. To the left. لليسار. Go straight. Go straight. اذهب إلى الأمام. Thank you. Thank you. شكرا لك. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. شكرا جزيلا. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. عفوا. No problem. No problem. لا يوجد مشكلة. Bless you. Bless you. يرحمك الله. يحفظك الله. I am hungry. I am hungry. I'm hungry. أنا جائع. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I'm thirsty. أنا عطشان. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. استمتع بوجبتك. بالهنا والشفا. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. يوم سعيد. Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? أين المدخل? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? أين المخرج? أين المخرج? Where are the taxis? Where are the taxis? أين سيارات الأجرة؟ To this address please. To this address please. To this address please. إلى هذا العنوان من فضلك. To the airport please. To the airport please. إلى المطار. Stop here. Stop here. توقف هنا. Here is fine. Here is fine. Here is fine. هنا جيد. How much? How much? كم للسعر؟ How much? Please. Please. من فضلك. Do you understand? Do you understand? هل تفهم؟ Do you understand? هل تفهم؟ You understand me? هل تفهمني؟ I understand. I understand. I understand you. أنا أفهمك. I don't understand you. I don't understand you. أنا لا أفهمك. Please enter. Please come in. Please enter. Please come in. تفضل بالدخول. Please sit down. Please sit down. تفضل بالجلوس. Have a seat. Have a seat. اجلس من فضلك. Do you like it? Do you like it? هل يعجبك؟ هل تحبه؟ I like it. I like it. أحبه. I don't like it. I don't like it. لا أحبه. لا يعجبني. How was your day? How was your day? كيف كان يومك؟ How was your day? How was your day? Very good. Very good. جيد جدا. Very bad. Very bad. سيء للغاية. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. أراك غدا. See you later. See you later. أراك لاحقا. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. أراك قريبا.